It's back to the office after several years of working from home. But how do leaders make that work with the folks who really don't want to come back? In this video, we'll explore ways to make working back in the office again more palatable. Organizations are insisting their people work from their offices again. Studies have documented that face-to-face, in-person interactions lead to faster problem solving, better accountability, stronger team dynamics, and a stronger sense of corporate culture, along with a shared sense of corporate identity. Human beings are simply at their best when they're working together. Working together is how we have dominated the planet, regardless of our puny physicality. Back to the office just makes sense. Many employees, however, are not happy coming back. They're having to give up flexibility and personal freedom of working at home. They have to get back involved in commuting again. They'll have to forgo the cost savings of transportation, parking, meals, and attire. To encourage a smoother transition back to the office, leaders can smooth the return in several ways. Here are 3 strategies that can be very useful. Number 1, communicate. I can't emphasize that more. Communicate. Be transparent about why in-office work is so important. Listen to employee concerns in group meetings. Feeling heard can go a long way to helping people settle down. Number 2, involve your people meaningfully in deciding what would improve the office experience. Consider improved workspaces with comfortable seating, quiet areas, and collaboration zones. Offer amenities like better coffee, snacks, or wellness programs. Avoid unnecessary meetings. 3, get them involved in strategic and tactical planning. Feeling a sense of meaningful contribution is more important than money to employee satisfaction. Involvement in strategic planning may only include asking for their thoughts about executive-generated plans, but feedback to them how their input was used. Involvement in the tactical planning of how their work gets done in their units can be much more thorough. Number 3, recognize and reward good teamwork as frequently as individuals are rewarded. Good teamwork is the primary reason for the insistence on back to the office, so reward it. Rewarding teams, however, is unusual, although it needs to become usual. Provide incentives like paid-for team lunches, team bonuses, or additional team time off. Acknowledge team contributions publicly. That really works. Ironically, these 3 strategies are just good leadership practice, regardless of people not wanting to return to the office. Use them. See you next time.